HBO's global mega-hit TV series Game of Thrones earned a record 32 Emmy nominations on Tuesday, the most nominations earned in a single year by any drama series. Game of Thrones was aired in 170 countries and finished its 8th and final season in May. In the U.S., an average of 43 million people watched each episode of Season 8. If Game of Thrones wins the Best Drama Series title, it'll be its 4th win in that category and will become one of the most honored dramas, alongside shows like The West Wing and Mad Men. The Emmy Awards ceremony takes place in LA on September 22nd.